Hello. In this session, we'll discuss about oxyacids of nitrogen, their structural aspects, basicity, and nature. Nitrogen important oxyacids are nitrous acid and nitric acid. But along with this, some other acids are also there. The first one is hyponitrous acid. Hyponitrous acid. H2N2O2, or you can say HNO. It will be N double bond N, OH and OH. Two lone pairs will be there, one each on nitrogen. As two OH groups are there, it is going to be a dibasic acid and very less possible a weak acid also. H2N2O2 HNO. The oxidation state of nitrogen you can take it as +1. +1 is the oxidation state. If the salts, if you are taking, the acid name is hyponitrous acid, so salt if you take, that is called hyponitrite. Salt name is hyponitrites. This is the structure. The important second one is HNO2. It is nitrous acid oxidation state is +3. It's a monobasic acid, not so strong, you can say weak acid only. Its structure will be a lone pair, one double bond oxygen. Oxygen contains two lone pairs and one OH group. Because of this, it can form NO2 minus. NO2 minus, this H is going out, this is called nitrite salt. The salt name is nitrite salt. HNO2 nitrous acid. But here one interesting thing about the HNO2 is, look at this carefully. Its structure you can write two ways. One is acidic structure, second is nitro structure. Acidic structure means NOH double bond O. Nitro structure means N double bond O, one hydrogen, one dative bond oxygen. If this hydrogen goes, this will be O double bond N O minus. So this is going to attack, and these are called nitrites, and this ion is called nitrite ion, and these are nitrites. In this case, if hydrogen goes out, the nitrogen is going to attack, and these groups are called nitro. This is nitro ion. Nitro and acidic. Acidic is nothing but nitrite beta. Nitro means hydrogen is attached to nitrogen. Acidic nature means hydrogen is attached to oxygen. Both are possible. This form is called nitro form, and this form is called nitrite form. Then one other important one is nitric acid, HNO3. We'll discuss about nitric acid in a separate class. It's one important one. Its preparation properties we'll discuss. Oxidation state is +5. As the oxidation state increases, the acidic nature increases. Conditions, we were discussing in phosphorus also. When the oxidation state increases, acidic nature increases. If all are same basic, that means if all are monobasic, then based on the oxidation states you can decide which is going to be more acidic. Here nitric acid is going to be a stronger acid, you can say. It's a monobasic acid. The structure of it will be a dative bond oxygen, a double bond oxygen, a OH group. Because of this one OH group, it is monobasic acid. It is a strong acid. When this H goes, that will be NO3 minus. NO3 minus is called nitrate. NO2 minus is called nitrite and NO3 minus is called nitrate. The salt is nitrate. HNO3, nitric acid, oxidation state +5. This is the structure. These are actually important. Two more we can give, not so important, but we can discuss better. See, pernitric acid. Pernitric acid formula is HNO4. Yes, you are right. The structure is almost as you are expecting. N, one dative bond oxygen, one double bond oxygen. This is peroxy linkage. So nitrogen oxidation state here +5 only. Don't think +7. There is a peroxy linkage, but it is +5 only. Only one OH group is there. So this is also monobasic acid. And its salt, all those that are not required beta, because this is an explosive, not a stable acid. Pernitric acid will no longer exist actually, but it is possible. Pernitric acid, HNO4, oxidation state +5. This is the structure. Along with this, one more we can discuss, that is nitroxylic acid. Rarely, okay, now simply you can say not stable, not possible also you can say better. The structure is interesting. N, each nitrogen is having 2 OH groups. So this is going to be a tetrabasic acid. 4 OH groups are there, so tetrabasic acid beta, and highly unstable. So I am not discussing about its oxidation state and salts and all. One other name you can say, nitroxylic acid. So out of 5 oxy acids of nitrogen, hyponitrous acid is not so stable, not important too. Pernitric acid, nitroxylic acid also same case. The important ones for you are nitrous acid and nitric acid. About nitric acid we will discuss in a separate class. Okay, done. Signing off, Lakshma.